Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Santa. It's one of many different ways to draw Santa on this channel. I do a bunch of different versions of him, so you have choice. This is one of those choices, okay? One of those different choices as far as like drawing style. That's pretty much it. Let's get started. It's only an 8-minute video, so it's going to be very, very easy. I'm going to walk you through it, okay? Let's get going. First thing I do, before that, don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like, Christmas. I put Christmas videos on here 3 times a day during Christmas time, and I put up three a day for Halloween during Halloween time. It's a seasonal channel, so hit the subscribe, and when next year rolls around, you're gonna start seeing cool drawing videos in your feed. So that's what's kind of cool about it. You can subscribe for next year. All right, let's get going here. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve here for the nose. It's gonna be Santa's nose. Curve out, in. Go over here, curve out, in. Down over here, up. Curve for the bottom of the tongue there, and I'm gonna fill in here because he's gonna be laughing like ha ha ha, or hoeing ho 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 ho. Line over here for his eye, underneath curve. Curve over here for the eye. Line out here, up over here, down for the eyebrow. Looks like a French fry, right? Line over here. Curve. Line over here. Up. Curve. Alright, it's going to be that brim of that hat right there so far. Let's go over here and draw the beard. I'm going to go here, out, in. Go over here from the top, out, in, like a zigzag, out, in. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Continuing to go out and in. Curve over here, and now I'm going to go over here, curve down, curve in here for bottom side of the hat, curve down, and I'm going to put that circle at the end of the hat here, just right there at the very end. So let's go over here and draw his hand. Actually gonna put it into the side of his beard there. So his mitten hand's gonna be right here. I'm gonna have some of the Santa sack sticking out the bottom here. Up, down, out, down, in. Curve down, over here, curve down, across, down, down here. So you got a square for the belt, out over here. Line down, right here for the belt across. Going over here, and everything is like a simple shape. So for example, this belt shape I'm doing right here, that is like a square, right? It is literally like a square. Curve over here. Pulling down here for the rest of his lower half. Pull across here. Pull down here for his lower half. And I'm going to pull another straight line across, because there's kind of a brim to the bottom of the outfit here. Out, down, curve, straight across here, up. Line down. Line down here. Straight across. Curve line down here. Line here. Down over here for the actual, like the boots, the top of the boots. So it's got the brim of the boots. I'm going to split that in half. So there'll be 2 legs. Down for one side of the boot. Curve for that top half. Pull across. Curve here. Pull up. And we're going to pull down here for the split in that boot. Going to go over here, curve around the corner, draw the rest of his bag. And maybe draw like a line here to show the rest of his bag. Curve here. Curve down. Line across. Curve up. Curve up. Line across. Mitten hand. Curve around here. And you have Santa right there yelling out. It's just like, hey, ho ho ho, you know. If you want, you can draw like, you know, the whole you could draw like the letters in midair right here, ho ho ho. Right? If that kind of brings it together. But that's pretty much it. And you know, that's pretty much it. And you can always draw like a thicker line on the outside of the border, though. You don't have to do that. It's just kind of your decision if you want it or not. I like doing that. I like drawing a thicker line around the entire outside. I think it kind of gives it some, you know, some flair. Makes it look like a sticker. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, do me a huge favor and share the video. Share it with a friend, or do me a favor and auto share it on Twitter. Just go to Twitter, share, and then just auto share it out. It'll be fun. But thank you so much. We'll talk to you next time, and I will see you very, very soon, okay? Anyways, talk to you later, and later. Ooh, don't forget to check out my full programs on Skillshare. That link's in the description.